Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. And today I'm going to review artist Camel Poster Colors, and let's open it. I'm doing this unboxing, but this is not a paid promotion. I really like to work with poster colors, and so I'm sharing this video with you. And the packing is really good. So this is a premium quality poster colors, as you can see, and it is having 15 shades. Now the shade card is also given here, and it is having some new shades also. Right, you can see the shades. Now let's open it. This is lemon yellow and it is looking quite creamy. There are 15 ml color bottles. So next is deep yellow, or you can call it chrome yellow. Texture is really good. Yellow ochre. Now this is orange, such a bright color and really looking beautiful. This is golden. This golden color they have given in this box. And skin tone. Those who are not able to make skin color, they can use this color. This is poster red. Oh nice, this is special pink, such a really beautiful color. This is crimson. This is purple. This is cobalt blue. This is peacock blue. And this is ultramarine blue, light green. This is medium green. And this is burnt sienna, brown color. This is sap green. Mostly this color is used in the trees. This is raw sienna, Persian blue, and this is white, titanium white. They have given two brushes. One is flat brush, and the other one is round brush. And the bristles are really soft and the brush quality is also very nice. Their handle is short, so you can carry it anywhere. Beautiful. Hope this video is helpful for you. Give a like and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and stay tuned.